Hello everyone, this is Indrani and welcome back to Amigos Cook Room. Sweaty t-shirts, high humidity and hot winds. This comes like a package during the summer. But in order to keep our body away from being dehydrated, lots of fluid intake is a must. Summer fruits, vegetables and curds are doctor's #1 choice. So, taking 2 ingredients from the list, today I'll be showing you 2 welcome drinks during the summer that will not only satisfy your health requirement but will definitely woo your taste buds. So today's first recipe is of spicy masala chach. To start with, in a mixer grinder bowl, add few green chilies as per your preference, some coriander leaves along with the soft stem, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, little bit of water, and make a fine paste out of it. Once the paste is ready, in the same jar I have continued by adding 1/4 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of jaljeera or chaat masala powder, roasted cumin powder. Here I have simply taken the regular cumin powder and have dry roasted it. So adding around 2 teaspoon of it over here. Black salt or kala namak around 1 teaspoon. Some sugar. This is totally as per your preference, but in order to balance the spice and salt, I am adding here around 2 teaspoon. Around 2/3 cup of water, and give a quick churn in the mixer grinder. Now take a big vessel and carefully pour in the mixture. To it I am further adding around 1 teaspoon of cumin powder to enhance the taste, some more black salt, some more jaljeera if you want. I prefer it tangy, so I am adding a little bit. And finally adding around 1 cup of water. Now you can adjust the consistency as per your preference and as per your serving quantity. Now with a typical non-electric hand blender, churn this mixture for at least 5 minutes. Now it's well churned and ready to be served. For serving, decorate your glass as per your own creativity. Once you're done with the decoration, pour the mixture in the glass and add 2 or 3 ice cubes, and your spicy masala chach is ready to be served. Now let's move on to our next segment and prepare a mocktail called watermelon mojito. To start with, I have taken here a medium-sized vessel. Alongside, I have de-seeded a watermelon and have cut it into bite-sized pieces. And I am taking generous amount of watermelon cubes as per my serving quantity. Adding few roughly chopped pudina leaves. Now this is homemade powdered sugar which I have made with regular sugar granules, and the amount of adding this sugar will totally depend on the sweetness of the watermelon. Add some black salt or kala namak as per your preference. Add few lemon cubes to bring that tangy taste in your mocktail. Now take a muddler. Since I don't have a muddler, here I am using a pestle, and start mashing the watermelon cubes. If you are not comfortable, you can also use your hand for doing this process. As you can see, I have mashed 90% of the watermelon cubes, and the remaining 10% will be in semi-solid condition. As I am done with the mixing part, now it's time to prepare the glass. Adding in few ice cubes, Now carefully pour in the mixture into the glasses, including the semi-solid watermelon chunks as well. Partially squeeze 1 or 2 lemon cubes in each glass. Now it's time to add some soda water, but since I personally prefer little bit of flavor, therefore I'm adding Sprite. But if you want, you can simply stick to soda water. Give it a gentle stir. Top it with few pudina leaves, a small piece of watermelon, sweet and tangy watermelon mojito is ready to be served. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.